differentiate between human nature and human self in the light of two different verses of the Holy Quran. First one is it's about human nature, fitrat Allah hillati fataran nasa ilayha, and about human self, innan nafsa la ammaratu bis-su'.
That shows that human nature wants the shortest route to pleasure. Through here means pursuit of pleasure, regardless to the principles of wisdom and morality or higher value. So to get what is best, that is the fundamental. But if you don't understand if something is good for you or not good, then you can seek a pleasure which is apparently good for you, while in reality, because it is divorced from wisdom, it will not be good for you. So it is the same fitrah, there is no change. The fundamental is that you desire to aspire to the good things. But with God, there is a perfect wisdom. So there is no su involved. In fact, if you analyze in the ultimate analysis, this would turn out that absolute morality and absolute wisdom are one and the same thing. So it's only lack of knowledge on the human part, not having a different nature, that makes the difference between su and good things. That is bad things and good things. The nature is the same incorruptible, single-minded thing, which requires all good to be had. So that nature belongs to God. That is what He has bestowed upon man. People do not understand these fine distinctions, so they think they are two different things. Human self and human nature, they are not. The only difference is between lack of wisdom and possession of wisdom, or lack of understanding of absolute values and understanding of relative values, and being under the misconception that these relative values are absolute values. This is something once asked of me a month or so ago by some distinguished guests I had. When I told them of this definition of wisdom, that absolute morality is wisdom, the visitor was absolutely surprised. He was flabbergasted. He said, I had never thought of it, but now come to think of it, this is correct. This is true. He was really happily surprised to find. And I think this is, if you understand this fundamental, then no contradiction will be found. This please.